For years, if you wanted more traffic from Google, you focused on one thing, and that's SEO. You optimized your keywords, improved your content, built backlinks, and tried to rank on the first page of search results. But search is changing rapidly. Today, people don't just search on Google anymore. They ask questions to AI assistant like ChatGPT, use Google's AI overview, search through Microsoft Copilot, Gemini, and many more AI-powered platforms. Instead of showing a list of 10 blue links, these platforms often generate direct answers. This has introduced new terms like AEO, GEO, and AIO. Many people think these are replacing SEO, while others believe they are simply new names for the same thing. So, what do these terms actually mean? Are they different? Do you need all of them? In this video, I will explain the difference between SEO, AEO, GEO, and AIO in simple language so you can understand how search is evolving in 2026. What is SEO? Let's begin with the one you are probably already familiar with. SEO or search engine optimization is the process of improving your website so it ranks higher in traditional search engine like Google or Bing. The goal is simple. When someone searches for a keyword related to your business, you want your website to appear among the top search results. SEO involves optimizing content, improving technical performance, building backlinks, enhancing user experience, and creating valuable information that satisfies search engine. For many years, SEO has been the foundation of organic digital marketing, and it remains extremely important today. However, search engines themselves are evolving. The goal of SEO is get your website to appear higher in search results. So let's talk about what is actually AEO. AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. Instead of optimizing only to rank on a search result page, AEO focuses on helping your content become direct answer to a user question. Think about when someone asks Google, what is technical SEO? Instead of clicking a website, they may immediately see an AI-generated answer, a feature snippet, or a voice assistant response. AEO helps increase the chances that your content becomes the source of those answers. To optimize for AEO, your content should answer questions clearly, use simple language, include FAQs where appropriate, and organize information logically. In other words, AEO focuses on providing direct, accurate, and trustworthy answers. So the goal of AEO is become the answer users are looking for. So the next is what is actually GEO. GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. This is one of the newest concepts in digital marketing. Generative search engines don't simply display web pages. They generate original response using information gathered from multiple trusted sources. Platforms like ChatGPT, Google AI Overviews, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot are examples of generative AI systems. Imagine the user asks an AI tool, "I'm new to running. Which shoes should I buy and why?" An AI search engine may analyze information from multiple trusted sources and create a complete response. Instead of showing only links, it might say, for beginners, brands like X and Y are recommended because they provide cushioning, stability, and comfort. According to several expert reviews, these options are suitable for new runners. GEO is about creating content that this AI system can easily understand, trust, and reference when generating answers. Unlike traditional SEO, where success means ranking first, GEO focuses on becoming part of the AI-generated response itself. To improve GEO, your content should demonstrate expertise, include accurate facts, cite reliable information where appropriate, and thoroughly cover the topic. The goal is GEO is become a trusted source for AI-generated answer. What is AIO? AIO generally refers to AI optimization. While the term is still evolving and may have a slightly different meaning depending on who uses it, it usually describes optimizing your content and website for AI-powered search experience and intelligent assistance. Rather than focusing only on traditional search engines, AIO considers how AI systems discover, interpret, summarize, and recommend your content. This includes creating structured content, maintaining strong topical authority, using clear language, implementing structured data where appropriate, and demonstrating real expertise. In many ways, AIO combines principles from both SEO and GEO, while preparing your content for AI-driven search experience. So the goal of AIO is make your brand easier for AI systems to understand and recommend. So now let's talk about SEO, AEO, GEO and AIO altogether. Now let's compare them. SEO focuses on helping your website rank in traditional search engine results. AEO focuses on making your content the best direct answer to a user's question. On the other hand, GEO focuses on helping generative AI platforms understand and reference your content when creating AI-generated responses. Last but not the least, AIO is the broader practice of optimizing your digital presence, so AI-powered system can discover, understand, and recommend your content effectively. They have different goals, but they all share one thing in common, and that is they reward high-quality, trustworthy, and helpful content. So now the question is, do you need all four? The answer is yes. You should not think of AEO, GEO and AIO as replacements for SEO. Instead, think of them as the next evolution of SEO. A strong SEO foundation makes it easier to succeed with AEO. Good AEO practice improves your chances of appearing in AI generative answers. Strong topical authority and trustworthy content support GEO. And together, these strategies prepare your website for both traditional search engines and the future of AI-powered search. So to sum up, SEO, AEO, GEO and AIO are not competing strategies. They are complementary. SEO helps people find your website through search engines. AEO helps your content become direct answers. GEO helps AI system references your content in generated responses, and AIO prepares your website for the growing world of AI-powered search and recommendations. The future of digital marketing isn't about choosing one over another. It's about understanding how they work together. Search is changing faster than ever before, but one principle remains the same: create content that is accurate, trustworthy, and genuinely helpful. Whether someone finds your business through Google search, an AI overview, or an AI assistant, your success depends on delivering real value. At Digital Solutions Zone, we help businesses stay ahead by combining modern SEO strategies with the latest approaches to AI-powered search. From technical optimization and content strategy to authority building and AI search readiness, we help brands grow the evolving digital landscape. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.